Siayan is located in the heartland of Zamboanga Peninsula west of the island of Mindanao. It is about 2 hours from the cities of Dipolog and Dapitan and 6 hours from Zamboanga City. The municipality is made up of 22 barangays and 152 sitios covering a total of 494.75 square kilometers. As of 2009, poverty incidence in Siayan was at 97.5%, making it the highest poverty rate in the Philippines. According to the 2007 census, the municipality has a total population of 34,588, growing at an average of 0.062% annually. Siayan is an agri-based, self-reliant community empowered by skilled and enterprising people, conserving the richness of biodiversity and culture. The economy is largely agriculture-driven, primarily of corn, rice, rubber, coconut, cassava, and vegetables, reaping considerable income for the constituents and households through the grassroots livelihood development coordinators. There is a potential 43,000 hectares for crop, livestock, and fishery areas. The completion of the Siayan-Dumingog portion of the National Highway is imperative for alleviation of poverty in this part of the region. The LGU of Siayan, in partnership with government agencies through private-public partnership, continues to seek solutions to the establishment of water systems, construction of school buildings, barangay health center and community hospital, rehabilitation of farm-to-market roads,
our goal actually is to reduce the poverty incidence of Siayan. It is 97.5. So far, it is the highest in the entire country. So this town now is considered as the poorest among the poor. The people here really needs help, so we are in dire need of the interagency helping us in solving the problem to really improve the lives of the people in Siayan.